You pushed through all that paperwork, you finally launched your business, and now for the absolute best part, you are actually making money. But now that the cash is actually flowing in, you're probably staring at your bank screen asking a very, very specific question. Can I just transfer money from my LLC to my personal bank account? It's literally the ultimate payday question that every single new business owner asks the second that first invoice gets paid. We work hard to make the money, so naturally, we want to know how we can actually spend it. And the short answer, yes. But it's not going to be the exact same way for everyone.
Wait, what? See, so many new LLC owners firmly believe, hey, it's my business, so I can take money whenever I want. And I get it, it makes total logical sense, right? You own the entity, so you own the cash. Now, sometimes that is entirely true. But other times, it's honestly one of the biggest myths in the small business world. The reality here completely depends on exactly how your specific LLC is taxed by the government.
Okay, let's dive into this, because we've got a real fork in the road here. It is absolutely crucial to understand the stark contrast between two primary paths, the single-member LLC versus the S-corporation election. See, owning the LLC structure is just step one. That's your liability protection. Your tax structure, on the other hand, well, that dictates how you actually interact with your money. So let's explore that first path. If your LLC is taxed as a sole proprietorship, which, by the way, is the default and super common for most single-member LLCs, owners generally pay themselves through what's called an owner's draw. So instead of setting up a whole formal payroll system, you literally just transfer the business funds directly to yourself. You open your banking app, move some money from business checking over to personal checking, and boom, you've taken your draw. But hold on, here's a massive caveat. Accurate records and tax obligations definitely still apply. Just because you can easily move cash with a few taps on your phone doesn't mean the IRS is just looking the other way. Spoiler alert, they rarely do. You've got to keep those business records pristine. Every single transfer needs to be documented. And your tax obligations absolutely do not disappear just because you aren't getting a traditional paycheck with taxes already withheld. You're still going to owe taxes on the business's net profit at the end of the year. Now, what's really interesting here is that the rules flip completely if you take that second path. If your LLC has elected to be taxed as an S-corporation, well, the whole game changes. In a lot of cases, owners who actively work for the business, meaning, you're actually providing services, not just passively investing, you're expected to receive what the IRS calls reasonable compensation. And crucially, this payment has to be received formally, like through a standard payroll system, exactly like any normal employee. So this creates a really strict order of operations for S-corps. Step 1. You must receive that reasonable compensation through a formal payroll system first. Why? Well, because the IRS wants their payroll taxes, and they're pretty particular about getting them. Only after you've paid yourself a fair market wage for the work you actually do can you move on to step 2, which allows you to take certain other distributions from whatever business profit is left over. You absolutely cannot just skip straight to step 2 just to avoid payroll taxes. That sequence is totally non-negotiable for working owners. Because this specific area carries some massive tax implications, our source material highlights a really critical piece of advice. Fully understand the IRS rules, or honestly, even better, speak directly with a qualified tax professional. The rules around what exactly counts as reasonable compensation, they're complex, and they are heavily scrutinized by the IRS. The stakes are simply way too high, and the penalties way too severe to just kind of wing it on your own.
If you're just starting your LLC and want to get the setup right from day one, I recommend Northwest Registered. They've been helping entrepreneurs form businesses for years and are known for their strong customer support, privacy-focused approach, and transparent pricing without a lot of upsells. They help entrepreneurs form their LLCs and provide resources to make the process easier. I've added my affiliate link in the description below. If there are any current discounts or special perks available, you'll receive them through that link. It also helps support the channel at no extra cost to you.
Now look, whether you're a sole proprietor taking simple draws or an S-corp running formal payroll, there are some really common traps just waiting for you. Let's run through 4 specific mistakes from our source material that cause massive headaches. First step, mixing personal and business expenses. Please, do not treat your business account like a personal ATM for your weekend groceries, okay? Keep them totally separate. Second, taking money without keeping proper records. If you can't explain a transfer to an auditor, you've got a problem. Third, assuming every LLC owner gets paid the exact same way. We just prove they don't. And finally, forgetting that taxes may still apply even when you're just moving money to yourself. The good news is, avoiding these mistakes is entirely manageable. It really all comes down to one golden rule. Good bookkeeping makes everything easier later. It's that simple. If you track your money cleanly, categorize your expenses, and record your draws or payroll accurately, then no matter what your payment method is, you're setting yourself up for stress-free success when tax season inevitably rolls around. So, the crucial point here is that simply owning an LLC doesn't automatically dictate how you get paid. Before you move a single dime out of your business account to buy that celebratory latte, you have to understand that the right payment method depends entirely on your specific business tax structure. It's the tax structure, not the LLC label itself, that actually writes the rules. Do you actually know how your LLC is taxed? It's the skeleton key that unlocks literally everything we've talked about today. If you're sitting there right now, maybe a little unsure of how your LLC is taxed or how owners in your exact situation are typically paid, I want you to drop a comment below. Let's figure this out together. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful and want more simple, highly practical explainers about business formation, taxes, and making your LLC thrive, be sure to hit subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me. Keep those records spotless, and I'll see you in the next explainer.